morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. How are you all?
Fine, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Fine, Nana. Children, open your notebooks. Put your also ready. Just I want to just tell you two problems. Notebook. After that, again we'll go to course book work. Get ready.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
How are you, ma'am?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. Thank you.
Open your notebooks, children. Notebook first. Let us do two problems. After that, we'll go to course. Okay? Make it fast. Make it fast, children.
Ma'am, still only Anandya and Sastra and me only join. 9:49. Only 9 numbers.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, only 9
Just
numbers
keep
are
the
there.
1 more minute and
6,
let's start the
7,
class.
9. Anybody are not coming? Yes, sir. Today in Hindi period also getting some. Ma'am, I know 12 tables. I know.
Have you all learned perfectly?
Ma'am, I
One
learned.
problem all are based
I'm going to learn 13 and 14 today. 15
on
tables.
tables also. Go on
Ma'am.
practicing tables daily. Daily you have to read. Even if you
Ma'am.
know the tables also.
Ma'am, I have to learn. Ma'am, daily I'm writing
Very
2
good.
to 12 tables 2 times.
Very good.
Ma'am, I
Very
have
good.
learned.
Not only writing, you have to be with your reading part. Okay, you should get perfect
Ma'am, I
reading part by heart.
Ma'am, after writing, I'll read.
Yeah, Nana, Ananya, something you are saying?
I have learned till 2 to 15 table, ma'am.
Table, very good. But send
Yeah,
it videos
6
now.
times.
Send
I
it
should
videos
learn
and
table.
table, bottom to top. Till
Yeah.
so try to send me
I
today
have learned to
12,
say.
13, 13, 14, 15 tables. 13,
I'm going to learn
bottom
today.
to top.
13
Perfectly,
and
not stucking anywhere.
it's
Okay,
easy
Ananya?
now. Yeah.
Good.
Okay,
Everybody should follow this thing,
ma'am.
children. Not only to Ananya, everybody I am saying. Those who are perfect in tables till 15, try to send at least 2 tables videos from saying bottom to top. Okay, children?
Yeah,
Let us start the
only
class.
10 numbers came.
Okay, notebooks, let them.
Okay, ma'am.
Let us start the class. Today's date, 12th, right? Put today's date.
Yeah. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, course book. Ma'am, course book or
Notebook. First, let us do a notebook. Then we'll go to course book part. But make it fast, children. I just want to explain you two things here. Afterwards, I'll go to course book. So you all know how to divide a 2-digit number by a 1-digit number, right, children? You all know how to divide a 2-digit number by 1-digit number. So let us divide 25 by 5. Here, while dividing, Shrikar, listen carefully, Shrikar. Shrikar, you are telling tables. You are telling tables. Please listen to me carefully here. Listen carefully. See, 25 is divided by 5. Okay. How to divide it? You all know how to put a division symbol also. You all know, right? 25 is, all of you should on your video. Shrita, Rohin, Abhignesh, Ayan, Medha. 25 should be divided by 5. Now you will check whether 25 goes in 5 table or not, right? 25 goes in 5 table or not. With what number 25 goes in 5 table? Yeah, you can show the sign like Shanmukha Priya. You can show your finger sign or lip movement so that I can understand from everyone. Yeah, okay, 5. Only 1 5 you show, Shanmukha. 5 fingers, okay? So where you have to put that 5? Exactly on the ones place. When you are dividing here, actually, one thing I forgot to tell children. As you are dividing, this is what, children? You are dividing by one number. What is it called? It is called what? Divisor. With it is called what? Divisor. Which is getting divided here? What number is getting divided here? 25 is getting divided here, right? This 25 is called what? Dividend. Okay, what is it called? Dividend. Now let us divide here. 5 is a one digit number. 5 is a one digit number we are dividing by, right? So it is a one digit number. We have to check first the first digit, but it is here 2, which is less than 5, right? So okay, we cannot divide 2 by 5, right? We cannot divide 2 by 5. So let us take one more number also, one more digit also. Here becomes 25. Now we can easily divide 25 by 5, right? With what number? 5. That number should be placed exactly on the last digit. As we are dividing both the digits at a time, which one is the last digit? 5 is the last digit. So upon that 5, you have to place this quotient. Okay. Now you divide. 5 5s are is how much? 25. 25 minus 25 is how much? Sahasra and Abhignesh? Anything to talk?
Ma'am, we should write a notebook.
Yes, notebook.
Ma'am, now we should write it.
Yes. Listen first carefully. Then you can write. Mute yourself, both of you. So here 5 5s are is how much? 25. The answer we got as how much? 5. This 5 is called. The answer here is called what? Quotient. After you subtract 25 and 25, something got remained under it, right? 0 got remained, which is called remainder. What is it called? Remainder. Okay. Now write down. Quotient is denoted by Q. Q is equal to how much? 5. And R. Remainder, you have to denote it by R. Remainder is 0. Here, divisor and dividend starts with the same letter D, right? Divisor and dividend, both the words starts with the same letter D. So we cannot denote them with the same letter, right? You may get confused if I denote with D. So I am adding the last letters also for them. Divisor, I am going to denote it by DR. DR means what? Divisor is 5 and the dividend DD, I am going to mention it, okay? DD is what? 25. Take down. Make it fast. Children, daily read tables. I may call you. A sudden call will come from my side daily for 2 members. I'm going to ask you tables by calling you. Okay? Quotient is 5. Remainder is 0. Divisor is 5. And dividend is also is 25. What do you observe here, children? What do you observe here? Dividend will be always greater than the other numbers. Okay, dividend is the greater number if you compare with quotient, remainder and divisor. Okay. Now let us go to one more problem. How to divide a 3-digit number? Dividing. Next heading you take. A 3-digit number by 1-digit number. Dividing a 3-digit number by 1-digit number. Let us take a 3-digit number 275 divided by same number 5 again. Here we have taken the same divisor 5.
Mom,
But divided here what? Yes? Yes, take down this question. You have to write. You have to write, Nana. Make it fast. Ananya, any doubt? Medha?
Yes, ma'am.
Sahasra?
Doubt. Ma'am. Ma'am, I have didn't wrote the first page. Ma'am, I didn't write. Ma'am, can you show the divide?
Take down the first one. Okay, fast. Make it fast. Otherwise, mute all of you. Somebody is saying something. Medha, you have switched off video and raising your hand. I cannot understand anything.
Ma'am. Ma'am, now it's done. But in the last one, we did this one. But for the answer, the remainder is 0.
Remainder, yes. Remainder is 0. R. We have to denote it as by R. Okay, Medha.
Oh.
Make it fast.
Okay.
Whatever I taught you, you have to practice. All of you should practice after the classes again, along with the homework part. What are the problems which are being taught here should be practiced again in practice book. Now let me move to the next page. Those who have not done, make it start.
Ma'am, you can go to
Let
the
me
next
divide a 3-digit number by a 1-digit number. Listen, understand the question properly, all of you. Dividing a 3-digit number by a 1-digit number.
Ma'am, I divided 4-digit number to 1-digit number, ma'am.
Also, you did that thing also.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good.
In the textbook, it was there, so I was solving that word problems of division.
Okay, fine.
Oh, yes.
But listen carefully, all of you. See, a 3-digit number should be divided by a 1-digit number. Here, we come to the concept here. See, a 3-digit number is there. What is that? Dividend. 275. We are dividing by 1 digit. But here, we have 1 digit. As we are dividing with a 1-digit number, first let us check with. See, children, make it as 5. Otherwise, it is more clear to you if I make it as 5 or 6. Make it as 6. Children, make it as 6. 675 divided by 5.
Okay, ma'am.
675 divided by 5. Medha, come back, Nana. Don't roam here and there. Medha. She's going somewhere. Yeah, listen carefully. 675 divided by 5. As you are dividing with a 1-digit divisor, first let us check the first digit. 1 digit. First let us check with 1 digit. See whether 6 goes in 5 table or not. Will it go in 5 table? 6 will not go. Then what you have to do? It is not divisible by 5. So what is the thing you have to do here? you have to check with the nearest number whether it is divisible by 5 or not. Okay. 6. Let us take a before number of 6. What is the before number to 6, children?
5.
5. 5 is
Ma'am,
divisible
5
by
and
5,
5.
right? Azan, look at the screen and listen to me carefully. See, 6 is not divisible by 5. So we are taking a nearest number which is 5. Which 5 is exactly divisible by 5 with what number? 1, right? 5 ones are 5. Subtract. 6 minus 1 is how much? 6 minus 5 is how much? It's 1. Now what is the thing you have to do? You have to drop down the next digit also. You have to drop down next digit also.
17.
17. Now you have to check whether it is greater than 5 or not. 17 is greater than 5, right? Now you
Ma'am,
can divide it, but it is not exactly divisible by 5. 17 is not exactly divisible by 5. So what is the nearest one we can choose?
5 3s are.
Yeah, let me take the 5 table here so that you have more clarity here. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Let me take till 5:35. Why? 5 is 40. Why? Because place is not. Okay. 17. Do you find 17 anywhere in these multiples? In these products? Can you find anywhere 17, children?
5 No, ma'am.
No. What is the nearest one we can choose? Which one is the optional next step? 15, right? If we go to 20, it is more bigger than 17. So we can fix with 15. 15 goes with what number in 5 table? 3, right? 5
Yeah.
is 15. Subtract. 7 minus 5 is 2. Drop down again 5 here. Okay, drop down 5 here. Next, 25 is the number. Now check whether 25 is divisible by 5. Yes, it is exactly divisible by 5. 5 5s are is how much? 25. 25 minus 25 is how much? It's 0. So here the quotient is 135. Divisor is 5. Dividend is 675. And the remainder is 0. Okay, take down.
Okay, ma'am.
Tomorrow I'll tell you the check process.
Ma'am, we should write that. Ma'am, we
Yes.
should write that question.
Yes, write down. Quotient is 135, divisor is 5, dividend is 675, and remainder is 0.
Then,
This table you can just take it as a reference in your notebook, rough book. Understood? Don't write it beside to the question. Simply for your understanding sake, for your reference, I have written this. You can write these tables in your rough book for your reference until you get perfect in tables. You should actually, you must be get perfect till by now, but some of you are still stuck in between. This should not be happen further. Now let's go to one more problem. One more problem I'll give you in the notebook, then we'll go to the course book. Okay, children?
okay, ma'am. Ma'am, we will do 2 more problems.
2 more? Okay.
Yeah.
I wish to make you do 2 more problems.
Okay.
See, this method is called what? We are dividing like this, right? This method is called what? Long division method. What is it called?
Long division method.
Yes.
Quotient. Ma'am, quotient is 135.
Yes, quotient is 135.
I also got 135. Ma'am, I will say and remainder is
0.
0.
Now
Yes.
let us do one more problem. Take a screenshot.
Ma'am, done.
Completed.
Ma'am, done.
Yeah.
Done, ma'am. Done, ma'am. You can go to the next
Okay.
page.
Now third one. Dividing a 4-digit number.
Ma'am, that time onwards your voice is breaking.
My voice is
No.
breaking.
Ma'am.
Is it for everyone, children? Only for
No,
some?
ma'am. Your voice is clear. Ma'am, it is
Clear?
low
Is it
also.
clear, children?
Ma'am, your voice is clear.
Clear. Then might be the problem near you. I think once check yours, Sahasra. Device you check once. Dividing a 4-digit number by one digit number.
Now, okay, ma'am.
Okay. 1-digit number. Dividing a 4-digit number by 1-digit number. The same process here also you have to apply, children. Let me take a question like 3, 4, 7, 9, 4. Take here 5. Okay.
Yeah.
Divided by 3. 4,795 divided by 3.
4.
Take down the
Ma'am,
question. The process I want to show you in the next page.
ma'am, the number is 4,795.
Yes. 4,795 divided by 3.
Divided by 2.
Huh.
Then, ma'am.
Now let me go to next page. The process will not be sufficient there, I think.
Yeah. I will to the next.
Take down the question. Fast, all of you. Otherwise, take it screenshot. 4,795 divided by 3.
Ma'am, I didn't wrote that 4-digit number, ma'am.
Write down right here again, right? Here. Now let us start dividing. As we are dividing with a 1-digit divisor, check with first digit. 1 digit first. What is there? 4. See whether 4 is divisible by 3 or not. Is it divisible? Is 4 is divisible by 3?
No, ma'am.
No, Nana. Shanmukha, 4 is not divisible by 3. So, which one you have to choose? The nearest number again?
3 ones are 3.
Very good. 3 you have to choose. 3 is divisible by 3 by 1. Okay?
Yeah.
Write down 3 ones are 3. Now subtract 3 from 4. What remains? 1 remains.
1.
Immediately you drop down next digit 17. Now again you check 17 is divisible by 3.
Ma'am, 3 5 it can
3 4s are is 12. 3 5s are is 15. Next 3 6s are is 18. Which is more than 17. Here, so which one you have to choose, Arham?
3 5s are 15, ma'am.
Tell me which one you have to choose, Arham?
3.
The nearest one. As it is not divisible by 3, the nearest one you have to choose here. Which one we can choose?
3 5s are.
Yes, 3 5s are is how much? 15. 17 minus 15 is how much? 7 minus 5 is 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 is no need to place here when it is placed left of a number. That doesn't have any value. The number 0 is placed left of a digit. Now drop down. 9.
29.
29. See whether 29 is there in 3 table. Is divisible by? Is it divisible by?
24. Yeah, ma'am. 3 9s are 27, ma'am.
So which one you have to choose?
3 9s are.
Very good. 3 9s are 27. Why? Because 29 is not exactly divisible by
Yeah.
3, but the
It's
nearest
very
one is 27. If you choose one more, you are getting more bigger number than 29.
Much bigger, yeah.
Yeah, much bigger than 29. 3 9s are is 27. Now subtract. 9 minus 7 is how much? 2. Drop down 5.
No. So,
2 minus 2 is we have 0 here. 25, see whether 25 is divisible by 3.
not 3 8s are 24.
So the nearest one, the next possible number is what? 24, but not 25
Yeah.
is divisible by 3. With what number it will go? 8. 3 8s are
Yeah.
24. 25 minus 24 is
20.
1. Here this is the remainder. This is the dividend. This is the divisor. And this is the quotient.
Ma'am,
Here quotient is how much?
ma'am, can a divisor be a 2-digit number or 3-digit number?
No, you others will get confused if you directly do not devise a 2-digit number. No need of now. Some more problems are there with where we have to divide by tens, hundreds, and thousands. That I'll explain you now. Remainder
1,
1
5,
and
8.
you have to write dividend. No,
Oh,
dividend is
ma'am, only 1 minute. Remember 1. Ma'am, what's that? Oh, that's
dividend.
Okay, ma'am.
Dividend.
Ma'am, one number in one box you should write.
One number in one box. Where, Nana?
Ma'am, here we are writing now.
Tell me
In
where?
notebook.
In notebook. Better. It's better if you write like that.
Ma'am, done.
4,735.
Yeah. Ma'am, this took my whole page.
29
So long division.
7. Then
Ma'am, should we write the spelling division also?
Division.
Okay. ma'am.
No need. Why? This is not revision, right? We start revision of the holidays. Yeah, you will be getting revision homework also during holidays. Okay.
Yes.
Now listen.
yay!
Division, divisor and remainder dividend we got here. What happens if we divide a certain number by tens, hundreds, or thousands? Let us see. Dividing.
Ma'am, can you show that I didn't wrote?
Take screenshot. Make it fast.
Last.
Take screenshot. Super. Very good. Good. It's neat. See, in course book page 27, only the questions are given. This kind of process you have to do in your notebook and then you have to write the answers there. Understood, children? Only the questions are given. Here he is asking 27th page once open, all of you. Page 27. 27 divided by 9 is there, right? You divide that in your notebook. Divide that particular thing in notebook and then write down the quotient and remainder in the course book. Understood? Let me tell you how to divide by tens, hundreds, and thousands, and then I'll give you the homework part. Listen. Dividing. Third bit. Dividing a number by 10, 100, or Okay, 10 and 100. Enough for this. 10 and 100. See, suppose take a number which is like 2940 is there. 0 in the ones place. When you divide a particular number by 10, what happens? Simply you will get this part. First 3-digit numbers as quotient and last digit as remainder. So the quotient is what here? 294. Remainder is 0. Remainder is 0. When a number, the same number, if it is divided by 100
Ma'am,
zeros, then first 2 digits becomes the quotient and next 2 digits becomes the remainder. So the quotient is 29, remainder is 40. Take down this. Whenever a number is
ma'am,
divided by, yes, tell me.
ma'am, we should write that in
Yes, in
textbook.
notebook.
That this
Yes,
also.
yes. Whenever a number is divided by 10, what happens?
Whenever
Last digits comes under remainder and the remaining the digits number will come under quotient. Whenever it is divided by 100, last 2 digits will remain as
number
remainder and remaining digits
dividing
number becomes
a
the quotient.
number.
Q is what, children? Quotient.
Quotient
And remainder is what?
R.
Is what? Remainder. Very good. The time is up, children. Take down fast. I'll be giving you this course book page 27 as homework. Try to do it. 27 and
Ma'am,
28
I am
do it, I think.
taking screenshot. I'm taking
Take a
screenshot.
screenshot. I'll end the class.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children, take down. Bye, children. Have a nice day.
Bye,
Ah,
ma'am.
bye, children.
See you tomorrow. Mm.
Ah.